Mr. Diamond. I'm here with a few friends. Amazing. Yeah. Happy birthday, sir. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Neil. Happy birthday to you. Yes. It's delicious. Have a piece. Anything that you want to say to the crowd, Neil?
Yes. Thank you so much. I wish I were there with you.
Thank you, sir. Happy birthday. We love you so much. Have a great year. We're happy to be here telling your story. And touching the hand, reaching out, touching me, touching you. Sweet Caroline, good times never seem so good, so good, so good, so good. I've been trying to believe they never would. Sweet Caroline, sweet
Happy birthday. Yes, come on. Thank you. You're welcome. Happy birthday.